Good evening, kids. Welcome back to English class. In today's class, I will teach you small letters from A to Z. So let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last is Z. So this is all about today's class. In today's class, we learned how to write small letters from A to Z. If you like my video, then do subscribe my channel. Meet you tomorrow in the next class. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.